Hey everybody, Andrew and
Elijah
here for Living the Northern Life. Today is the day that we're going to be taking the heads out, and we've already started working on it a little bit. We wanted to take a minute, just welcome you guys here to, I believe this is our third part of this series for bulletproofing the F-150. It's a 2009 FX4. So far, in all of our other videos, you've seen us rip off all the shrouds and all that stuff, and then our second one was all the timing components, and then this video here is about removing the heads, taking off the manifolds, and whatever else we can fit into it. So if you like this video, if this is something that you're interested in, give us a thumbs up, please subscribe, and leave your comments down below. All right guys, here we go. It's time to remove the heads, and Elijah's just pulling the bolts out. All right, so that was fun. We got the second side out here, but we do have a lot of antifreeze in here. I did just remove the head gasket, so those both came off there fairly good. We will have to clean them up, but that's looking pretty good. So we're going to see what it's going to take to remove the manifold bolts. We tried to cut the one off. We might be able to get this one now. I'm not sure what it looks like underneath. I'll grab some gloves. We got 3 on the top on that one, but boy, do they ever look bad. Wow. All right, guys, let's see what we can do with this. Guys, so we're gonna leave it here. We're gonna take these down to the farm, probably tack some bolts on or nuts on the end of these and see if we can turn them out. I think we've got a couple that we're gonna have to weld nuts on as well and try to extract from inside the head. But that's it for now. We'll see you guys at the farm in a minute. totally missed it. I just welded this nut on. No, it's still too hot. Hopefully everything is good. Hopefully I didn't damage anything. I'm a little leery about doing it, but it needs to get done. We're gonna leave this stud and the other ones that are in the other one. Well, maybe we'll take it off, I'm not sure. Might take this nut off and try to take one more stud out of that other set. Well, yeah.
You pulled it out?
I welded that on too.
Oh.
Yeah.
See, if you had this at home, your son would have learned with you. I wouldn't hit that too hard. Because that usually isn't very strong, eh?
No.
Didn't hold. The welding didn't hold. It's pretty hard to weld down inside there.
Yeah, well, I dropped some weld on it.
You dropped some weld on it?
Yeah, I just like put some weld in there, and so I didn't blow through anything. I didn't cause any damage. But
oh, I see that was just flat like that, was it?
Yeah, it was actually inside a bit.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Did you try? You never tried drilling that out?
No, I'm gonna try now though. Going to be it for the heads here today. We got the manifolds off. We have some studs that are left on inside the head. we're going to get some sharp drill bits and see if we can use our easy outs at home. But we have to drill a pilot hole small enough to not to allow the easy out to get in, but not big enough to damage the outside of the threads in the aluminum block, because that would be disastrous. All right, we'll see you guys in this next segment. Thanks for watching Living the Northern Life. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and our website. Remember to click subscribe, click that bell notification, and give us a thumbs up for the videos you like.